Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can pay with an Affirm card at Walmart. So let's get started. To get started, you're going to launch the Affirm application on your phone and create a temporary virtual card for the amount you plan to spend at Walmart. So once the card is ready, save it to your digital wallet such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, and then you're going to head over to the checkout counter at Walmart. When it's time to pay, you gotta open your mobile wallet and select the Affirm virtual card as your payment method. And if you prefer using Walmart Pay, open the Walmart app and scan the QR code displayed on the payment screen at the register. In some cases, the cashier terminal may ask for the card's security code, so simply type in the CVV and continue with the payment process. If the purchase doesn't go through in-store, another option is placing the order online or selecting the curbside pickup through Walmart's website or the application, and then choosing Affirm during checkout. That's everything you need to know, and with that, that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.